Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a fourth time actually here at Village Oaks Elementary School in Novi, Michigan. And always a huge inspiration for me to speak locally, close to where I live, here in the Mitten State. And another beautiful day with all the students, grades K to 4. Today's focus was about positivity, being your best self. We did the assemblies in the gymnasium, but I'm actually out here by their garden. I saw this for the first time that they created over the summertime, and really what I wanted to just mention was how we focus today on how we need to plant great seeds. I got some seeds with me too, and us being near the garden, right? That we need to plant great seeds in our mind and in our heart, that we need to be kind to our mind and our heart, be positive, have a positive attitude. And that's part of being our best self, right? To get rid of these negative thoughts that we have about ourselves, that we can't do something, that we're not good enough, that we might compare ourselves to others. But excellence, like we mentioned in the presentations today, it's not being the best, it's just doing your best, right? The opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting, it's giving up. And for them to really understand that all that's required is to just give the effort, right? That do your best, then rest. And 9 times out of 10, if you give your best, you're probably going to get the results that you want. But part of being positive too, not only in our homes, in our community, at our school, is really staying positive even when things are tough, when things are difficult, when it's hard to figure something out, when it's hard to learn something, when we're going through a tough life situation. That's part of the motivation behind this shirt that I wear for this particular talk. It says, keep your head up, and the words are upside down on purpose. So if you look down or are feeling down, right, sad, that it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. So it's easy to stay positive when things are going well, right? When things are going good, but it's even harder to stay positive when things aren't going well, and to still keep that attitude. And so this past school year and a half, obviously everything that's been going on in our world, it's not always easy to stay positive, right? But it's something that we can do if we make that choice. And for them to really grasp that today, and the pin drop moments that we had in the talks throughout, the stories that I shared and the videos that I played and the music that was performed, I think they really got it, right? Like the one song we talk about, our absolute best and never nothing less, is what we have to give with each and every breath that we take each and every day to make this world and our school and this planet a better place in each and every way. So just keep doing your best. You guys are beautiful. That's all that matters, right? You keep doing your best no matter what. Keep pushing, keep persevering. Don't give up, don't quit, ever. You guys are great. Hope to get to see you again soon in the near future. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Check out the amazing playlist for some other motivational clips from my YouTube channel. And feel free to also visit my website, mrpeace.org, via this link, where you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.